Hello, friends. I'm Spire meteorologist James Van Fleet, and today I'm talking to emergency managers and those of you in charge of safety, compliance for employees and assets, as well as maybe guests or customers. We're going to show you on our DeepVision solution platform and zoom into the current storm system in the Pacific Northwest that you've been seeing and hearing about. And we'll just show you how some of our emergency managers or those who are directors of safety, compliance, health, environment are using some of this data, or how you could bring value to it. So just zooming in here, of course, we've shown this before. We're very easy to plot up any kind of weather alerts, no matter what's going on. This can all be customized to alerts you need to know about, whether it's fog, wind, wintry precipitation, visibility. You can see we even have avalanche here, which February is one of the months that sees the highest number of avalanches in portions of the Rockies, for example, as we transition from peak winter over to spring. But just for example, some other things that you can use in this system. Storm cells is a very cool feature. And I want to show you, this is actually ongoing. This advisory came out just about 15 minutes ago or so. On top of all this rain and wintry weather, I've got a route plotted up here from LA to Seattle. So let's say I'm sending a fleet of trucks up in this region. There's actually, of all these storm cells that are basically just general showers and storm cells, there's a current tornadic cell around Neilton, Washington, that will go for about another 40 minutes as of the time of this recording. And again, this is East Coast time. I'm in Miami, so that's why you see the time change here. But this as well can all be customized to your location or the locations of the assets that you're tracking. So on top of the alerts of high wind warnings and flood watch, that's a cell that I need to be paying attention to, because as you can see, my route, as we'll plot these up here, I'll take them off. The I-5 corridor running from LA to Seattle, that's part of my route. So you'll see it turned on here. This actually looks like it could cross Interstate 5 around Tumwater and Olympia area if it still is ongoing. So if I know I've got trucks running this route and I do see storms like this, I need to get ahead and make sure these trucks are pulled over, or if they're in this area, if they can safely get out of it. Or do they need to just get into a truck stop and seek shelter in one of the cement restrooms and rest areas? You know, all things that you may be considering and weighing for both the asset, the semi-truck and the supplies in it, as well as the crew, the drivers and crew that are running these supplies for you. So many applications and websites out there allow you to see a radar. They allow you to see current watches and warnings. These features in DeepVision actually add more of the items that you need to know about and what's happening within them, so you can apply them to your decision making with confidence. So in turn, it's a one-stop shop for everything that you're needing to know about in one platform, so you don't have to jump around to 20, 25 different websites. And having said that, of course, we also have the ability of highlighting under your thresholds the features of what are my concerns. So sustained wind gusts, extreme cold, extreme heat. So you can make your planning in these areas as well before an event starts. We have a lot more to discuss in our DeepVision solution and our Cirrus modeling solution as well, with all of our high resolution and global models. We'll continue to highlight some of these features as the days go on. In the meantime, have a safe day and take care, my friends.